In this video, we are exploring a remote village near the border between Pakistan and Afghanistan.
Let's be honest, we are kind of lost and we can't find our track. Should we follow them? Leave the yoga, it's for someone else. Good morning, and right now we are in Kalash Valley and we are walking towards Afghanistan border, but we are not going to cross the border. We are just going to Afghan village in Pakistan, and probably we will have 2 hours walk. It's a hot day. Bruno is feeling really sick. He has fever and he didn't sleep last night. That's why today I'm going alone with Mansoureh.
Hello, yeah.
My guide and my friend, and 2 other friends that we met in Pakistan. He's one
Met
from
in Kalash.
Yeah, we met actually in Kalash. One from the US and one from Germany. It's enjoyable to walk next to the river in this hot weather. This river cools us down a bit, and it's good when we see locals. Usually we don't speak the same language. We are greeting with body language. This is so good. They are so friendly, and kids, they wave at us and they laugh and smile and they try to interact with us, which is absolutely nice. She's generous, she's sharing. Bye bye! Actually, this path is the main road, and cars and motorcycle and everything, if he wants to go to the village, should go through this road. It's so weird. To me, it looks like a path, walking path, but apparently this is a road.
Children in the Afghan village take this path every day to go to school.
What do you think about the bullet holes in the EU flag? That's symbolic for some reason, you see that?
This path is getting more beautiful when we go closer. I don't know, it's so beautiful. I wouldn't ever be able to guess it's Pakistan. We arrived at the village, an Afghan village. The name is Shaykhanda.
It is known as Afghan village because refugees from Afghanistan who escaped from the Taliban settled down here.
We are invited for a tea. How lovely. Thank you.
When they found out I am Persian, they played some Persian music.
If you do that, you're
Persian.
You're Persian.
The test for the Persian passport.
Yeah. If you do that, you're Persian. You can't be Iranian.
60.
60?
Well, I think that's like a guess. 150 and 200 years old.
Since the road is not suitable for big trucks, they use the river to transport the wood logs. My friends thought it was easy and they went to help. After 10 minutes, they finally gave up. Here we are on the roof of one of the houses.
We are leaving the village and we are trying to take another path, and actually next to the river we saw we can do gorge walking. Another bridge. I think I'm the master of crossing all crazy wooden bridges in Pakistan. We are trying to go back, and it was kind of nice to walk here. Do you know where we are?
We are
Somewhere,
but don't know where. But in Kailash, definitely.
yes. But wherever we are is beautiful.
Yeah, it's an amazing experience.
Yeah, that's cool. Please move!
I just met a new friend.
Yeah, I know.
That was lovely.
Yeah, this is a bridge.
You have to cross the bridge.
Yes, cross the bridge. This is for cow. Let's be honest, we are kind of lost. And we can't find our track. And we were on a really narrow path, and we saw some cows were coming, and we just changed the path.
Hurry up! It's like, I don't want to wait all day. Hurry up.
Should we follow them?
Yeah. Let me check that. There's
This?
the word or not?
Oh, it's so good, yeah.
We're now robbing a rural family.
Yeah, I think so. Leave the yogurt, it's for someone else.
I just found evidence of a robber here.
Yeah, I think so.
Handed in some police.
It's milk. Does anybody feeling low energy?
No, we are fine.
I'm good, I'm good.
I'm seriously good.
You don't have to have a glass if you want. You're so generous.
I don't want to be in jail in Pakistan.
We managed to find our way back to our guest house and end our 8-hour walk. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more travel videos.